Hello CMS students. So our examinations is now on from online forever. So please grab this opportunity and adopt this initiative by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, our institute. So in this video, we have model examination instructions step by step, how to download both and use access as an online home-based examination using as well as mobile and tablet and whatever gadgets is you have. So go to the let's start the topic. Before start, one more request, please like, share, subscribe. So for intermediate final subscriptions, so 17th 24th December the online mode of based examinations will be conducted. So just jump into the what is the institute will be notification. So only eligible candidates for December 2020 and intermediate final examination will be allowed when the word appear in this model examination. Details of intermediate and final examinations for 30th December 2021 will be released shortly. I will also make these descriptions also. Please update your email ID and everything. Only updated requested details will be accessible on 17th December 2020 for applying online examination. So read very carefully. So please use your mobile camera as a click the screenshot with clearly and take photo. Here it is mentioned any pictorial description like chart or graphs or diagram students can draw on the piece of paper A4 size in blue or black and take a photo. So take a photo of your mobile webcam or your mobile camera. So mobile camera or this is the step given by the institute. So please update your Google Chrome. So once again please update. So remember this line. Please update your Google Chrome. Please update your Google Chrome and give the permission to your webcam in your laptop or mobile. So please click access allow. So click allow. So click allow to allow button in your mobile and as well as and accept in PC and also. So otherwise your mobile camera is not accessed in the mobile. So how to download both PC and laptop, how to access this CMA examinations. So let's join the topic. So please, if our intermediate student, the examinations will be start at 10 a.m. So the final students will be accessed on 2 p.m. So grab this opportunity, don't misuse, don't please quiet place and internet connection during the examination, so don't face any internet issues. So your 4G connection is enough to is the connection is very enough to clear this online examinations in home based same as online examinations. So no need to worry about that. The step by step read please. Instructions given, read the instructions of the institute. Please find the below the step by step guide of online mock test examinations of 17th to 24th December 2020. Please find below the details from intermediate and final examinations model exam for the institute of the Cost Accountants of India. We can appear on the preferable devices, computer and laptop and desktop and your mobile tablet. So whatever may be, we can access the mobile. So please go through the links in the instructions given below. So please click here and taken into the institute this website. So no, this is. So how to access the laptop? So go to the check your system here compatible or not. So here it is. Once you can open this, so we like this. The screen size 720 to 60p enough. You please make your test ID. Click here, test ID, and then enter your location details. So your passkey will be downloaded. Quickly Google Chrome. So the system is good to go. So like this we enter. So the test key is, I will show in the detail option. So enter your location. So save location. So like that you enter, you depends upon your location concern. So mobile you have like this tab, like this keyboard will be appear. So click back. So Windows operating Sabdul. I will make another continue of this Sabdul, how to download it. So in your PC, so enter access store. This is the access store for CMA, all CMA 2020 examination. Remember it. Just remove the commas and remove the comma CMA 2020 and type it. How to access I will show you in the mobile app. And then go to the Play Store or mobiles and update your Google Chrome. So enter your registration details and everything, date of birth, passkey will be generated one day before your test. So please wait for all the best and support. Any doubts, please contact this email ID. So please contact your email ID. So any details for institute mail, CICMB exam data support at cocube.com. All the best. Your registration ID, enter your registration note. First things you update your Google Chrome. So update your app. So how to download Copes. So how to download in mobile application, I will show you everything. So click here Google this link and wait for download. Click here and taken into the Play Store in mobile. Please some exit. So go to the Play Store in your mobile. So here it is. This is the Play Store. So this is the Play Store and type here CoCubes. So CoCubes. So CoCubes I already. So this is the CoCubes in your mobile application. CoCubes Technology Private Limited. Click here install. Wait for your downloading. Be patient. So it is 1.380 MB. That's it. So open it. Click open. So look at that. Access required. You need to follow the permissions to conduct the fair assessment and provide equal opportunity to every candidate with this app. Camera, audio permissions helps us to monitor the environment candidate and to prevent malpractice. We need to look a location and issue the test at single place. So in some test storage provision will be candidate upload pictures or files as such. So give permission. So remember it. Allow. And then enter your assessment URL. That means the assessment URL, we see the notification here. CMA 2020. Here it is. We see the clearly. Here it is. This is the assessment URL. So this is the assessment URL. So please, in mobile you access the URL. I will show you in. So like this PC also. So here it is assessment URL. Remember it. So this is the assessment here. Click here. So CMA 2020. So click OK and then loading your login details, username, password. So wait for login. User ID password will be available to link you before the examinations. So please access and wait for that. Today is the 16th. So tomorrow maybe today will be received all maybe. You see the access your so online in mobile. So how to download SAP tool in PC. So this is the way to start the examination using your mobile. So please like, share, subscribe. So we continue in addition to how to access the in PC. So what is he says the PC? That's it. Go to once again gocubes.com. So enter assessment URL is CMA. So CMA 2020. We may able to assess the app while the assessment is ongoing. Okay. So here it is. Enter your login ID and please click and start the assessment. So enter your login ID and please the assessment. Click here to both tab and start the assessment. So that's it, friend. So here it is. Registration number and passkey will be generated before today or tomorrow. Maybe you start the examination before. So all the best in mobile users. This is the way to access the assessment test in mobile. So in case of laptop or PC, how to download here. So go to the Google and type SAB tool, SABTOOL, SAB tool. So SAB tool. So click here, type, there is an executive file, SAB tab space tool. Here it is. So online mock test examinations of SAP tool will be released. So here it is executive file, the instructions here, read it. So laptop desktop SAP manual, how to access this. Here it is. Same, download SAP examinations. Here it is step by step download for online examinations. So executive file download from expanded. So after download we get examination details and everything. A zip files here it is. Windows 10 to install it. So we have in there download executive files. The step by step one, and then open here Windows 10 or Windows 7 or whatever you have, either SBS SAP Proctor. Open it. Click double click here. So click here, double click. And then here it is, please below ignore webcam here. So please, next step, here it is access store here. So access store, what is this? CMA 2020, like this. And please please ignore the webcam check. So click here, ignore, and login details, and same that username or password will be same again. This is the replica. Duplicate. This is the replica of this online SAP tool. So please go through and download. Click here, accept. This is the remove. Don't forget. Click here, accepted. Otherwise you did not access any examinations. So click here, accept, and start now. So same, start now and start the examinations. Here please click here. Remember it. Please click here, allow. Please click here, allow button. So click here, allow. So click here, click on allow button and access please allow the webcam access and access. So your photo will be displayed, and click here like this. Click here to retake. If you have face the not clear image, and please give error if face not detected, and click again. So if you add any flash, click again. So click here, same procedure, and then students appear and start the examinations. So like this we enter the examinations of online. Those do not replicate. This is not relevant. So CoQubes and test, start the test. Same again will be continue after all examinations. So all the best. Please like, share, subscribe for all CMA true and fair information.